Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Lian channel. So friends, today I will talk about Lian Li's V3000 Plus white GGF Edition case. So friends, Lian Li has updated the impressive V3000 Plus case to a beautiful new white finish. And friend, the Lian Li V3000 Plus white is ideal choice for the enthusiasts who wants plenty of space to build a custom white gaming PC and boasting an impressive ability to facilitate three different modes of interior layout. The case is an ideal foundation for a wide range of builds and friend. It keeps the same outstanding styling found on its black counterpart, and it has kept the impressive glass panels on each side but made them crystal clear alongside changing the finish of to pure white. And fan integrated within the front of the case is single RGB strip. The subtle piece of lighting is easy to control. It features RGB controls on its front I/O, and these strips can be connected to your motherboard, allowing for synchronized lighting effects. A small module is located at the base of this lighting strip, which projects Lian Li's logo onto your desk. And there is an impressive dry cage that can alone hold up to 8 3.5-inch HDDs or 2.5-inch SSDs. Additionally, 4 more 2.5-inch SSDs can be mounted within the main chamber next to the motherboard, and 4 more SSDs can be easily installed behind the motherboard tray thanks to tool-free design. And friend, from large ATX motherboards to full-size GPUs such as Nvidia's RTX 4090. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.